Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia. I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. Today we're going to work on our freebie savings challenges. I'm very excited to be stuffing this $20, 5, 10, 15, 20. And I just really wanted to try this week to get some extra cash and then to also make sure I do a cash stuffing. I'm just gonna try to keep pushing myself, and trying to not take off from work is crazy talk. I know that this Thursday is my oldest son's birthday and he's in heaven, so I am not going to work on that day. We need to get some change here, and we completed a savings challenge last time we were together, and I just wanted to see if we have some ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we do. And I'm not certain how I'm going to make this all squeeze into frame. My cute little high heel there is keeping me kind of in base, and then my my dice rolling there is keeping me. All right, I'm just gonna look through and see if I can find any more change, and put this away. I think that's the best we're going to be able to do at this moment, which is okay with me. What I do need to make sure of is that once I'm able to, we'll go ahead and switch that 5 out. I was thinking just go ahead and make it as spicy. Dare I? I dare. Okay, so we don't need any more change. We're just going to throw that 5 in there. We're going to roll the dice and see which savings challenge is going to get one bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see what we can do today. Number 2 is completed. It just needed 1. Should I pull out another savings challenge and keep playing? No, I think what we'll do is if we roll a 2, we'll skip it. We have big numbers on some of them. So let's see what we can do. 6, 2, 6. 2 wants more money. 1, 4, 4. No 2. No 2. 1. All right, come on. Oh, come on, 3. We need 3 and 5. 5 got a little love. 1. Come on, 3. 5. Can we get a 3? Oh, 5 got the spicy. 6. 3. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's really good. 2. 2. It was meant for 2 to get the money today. 3. 5. 2. Okay. Oh, maybe we should have replaced it. 3. Okay. That's wonderful. And since we completed this one for sure, we're going to go ahead and get started with her. These are all freebies you can find in my Ko-Fi shop. I mention that every time I pull these out, if you're interested in them. And they're all fit into the A7. Either they were mistakes or they were actually just made like that. So this savings challenge did get $1. And need my marker here. Perfect. Now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Wonderful. Yes. Okay. These funds are actually going to my plane ticket for Mexico. So that's why I'm really, really trying so hard to get some money. $1, $2, $3 here. 1, 2, and 3. Some of them have bigger numbers, like this one, once it's completed, will be $42. Some of them are smaller, like 15. I believe I have some that are 12. Let's go ahead and count up what we have here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we are going to let this one dry a little bit more. $1, $2, $3 going into my next savings challenge. 1, 2, and 3. Such amazing progress. So I was looking at the tickets, and the tickets I did find, they're around $300, but I don't know how long it's going to take me to save $300. So it may go up the closer to time, closer to the time we're departing. So I'm just going to keep pushing and then see where we're at. I'll keep checking in on the ticket. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next savings challenge got $2. And I'm hoping that when we come back on Sunday, we'll be able to add a little bit more cash to these. I was looking at my numbers, trying to work my budget, trying to see where I can squeeze the money from one place to another. And the truth is, like, with a low income and really paying debt and trying to focus on other goals, it's not been all that easy. But I don't want to give up. I feel like it's worth giving myself a chance to have this opportunity. I'm 45 years old and I've never left the country, like gone on an airplane. I did go on a couple cruises, but that was it. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, this is where the spicy went. Oh, looks like we only needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete this savings challenge. So we have $3 to roll for. Yay! Okay, let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should have $12 here. Looks like we do. 5, 10, 11, 12. Another savings challenge completed. That's so awesome. 2 of them. And let's see what else we got here. 1, 2, 3. Going into this savings challenge. It looks so pretty. I wish I was there. 1, 2, 3. And I don't know if I should roll again or if I should just see. No, it doesn't look like any of them are close for the $3. I think I'll just give, let's see, what is this? 1, 2, 3. I think what I'll do is I will give each of the larger ones $1, and that will make me feel better. So we're going to add $1 to each. So let's do that really quickly. And I'm not going to recount it just because we just saw how close they are. We're just adding $1. Let's mark it off. I've mentioned before that there are quite a few savings challenges in my Ko-Fi that are freebies. I am working on making some other savings challenges that are not just the Melanin Girls, because I know some of you would like to have different options, and trust me, I'm working on it. I'm gonna add, did I color in $1 there? I don't think I did. Let me see. That one we're gonna have to count because I'm not certain if I've colored in $1. Running my mouth. I'm not very focused. Let's see. We should have 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay. That's awesome. And we are going to keep working on these savings challenges that are not completed. And then we will choose a couple more savings challenges. I think we'll just go ahead and do this dragon. It's called Dragons and Desserts. It's so cute. So cute. This one we'll work on. Okay, and then we have this young lady dancing. Ooh, sweet moves, girl. Alright, that's perfect. And then we can put these away. I just pulled the savings challenges that would fit into the A7 envelopes for these challenges. So that's what I'm working on. I think we might need to keep the ones in the envelopes. Should I keep them? Oh goodness, I'm not certain how I want to do this because I know I'm going to need the ones, but just because I tend to not make the effort to get the change when I have the opportunity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's a lot of ones. But that way, when I come back, if I do need the ones, I will have them. So let's put these away. So awesome, actually, finishing savings challenges. Now if I could just get some more money. And I'm thinking about doing a little bit more dashing. It's just really really not going well in terms of gas prices, but I just figured I would just go out for a little bit, make a little cash, and then see what I can do. And somebody else mentioned to donate plasma, which I may in fact try to do again. The last time I went, they said that my veins were not accessible. I'm not certain exactly what that means. I know that even just like going to the doctor, how hard it is for somebody to get my veins. They do roll and they are small, but I was like, that's a great idea. I'm going to try. I did find another place that may, I don't know, it seems like people have been getting good results when they go there. The complaints of not being able to donate plasma at another place, I don't know. It's something that I may in fact try to do to try to get some cash. I know the place that I was looking at was like, if you follow the donation cycle, you can make like $800 in 30 days. So I'm gonna look into that. Oh, I need to put these other ones away. Sorry, I'm chatting. I'm just putting the savings challenges that are completed in the back here, so I'll have access to them. We do at some point want to put them into my travel envelope, but there's no rush at this point. Should we mix them up, the ones that are fairly new and the ones that they're going to need a lot of work. All right. Wow, that's chunky, isn't it? We saved some more cash. Now this plane ticket, like I said, the prices might go up, but I'm just going to keep trying. That's where I'm at with this. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.